Akalain mo ba naman Curry at LeBron sabay gumawa ng unforgettable highlights sa kanilang mga game kahapon? Una, itong ginawa niyang look away 3. Tumingin pa sa isang Timberwolves fan habang nasa ere pa yung bola. 31 points si Curry at may 7 triples.
What a pass underneath. Extra dish by Payton. Now to the corner. Here's Curry. It's good!
Habang sa kabila naman ay niyanig ng LA superstar na si LeBron James ang Crypto Arena matapos maidakdak niya ginawang alley-oop galing kay Austin Reeves. Well, base sa interview kay LeBron, inaalay niya ang laro para sa fans ng apektado ng LA Wildfire. 6 na player ang nagtala ng double digits para sa kanila, tigti 20 points plus sina LBJ, Anthony Davis at Rui Hachimura.
I mean, I haven't spoke since the tragedies has affected the Palisades and the greater areas of Los Angeles and all around. So, my condolences, my heartfelt, my prayers, my sincerity goes to every family, either lost loved ones, lost properties, lost anything that had so much meaning to them. It's been a hell of a week for us here in LA, but we got to stick together, and we know how to bond together. You know, we apologize for the other night. We didn't give it what we had against San Antonio. The Rams did their job, and then hopefully we was able to bring a little excitement to the households wherever you are. You know, to the families that's been affected by this tragedy. But our hearts are with them.
No doubt about it.
Habang nakuha naman ni Tyler Hero ang kanyang third straight na 30 points plus sa 3 sunod na laro, nasa listahan na rin sa All-Star voting ang Miami Heat superstar. Nagkaroon ng comeback sa second half ang Purple and Gold at nanalo sa final score na 108-117. Putol na ang third losing streak ng Lakers at nasa rank 6 na ng West, habang may second losing streak naman ng Miami. Wala pa rin silang solusyon sa problema ni Butler at hindi pa din sigurado kung matitrade ba ito or magiging remain bilang Miami Heat player. Pag-usapan naman natin ang update sa All-Star voting mga idol. LeBron James umangat na sa front court voting. Last report nasa ika-3rd ang pangalan ni LeBron, pero ngayon nasa top 2 na at bilang na lang ang agwat sa nangungunang si Jokic. Grabe, sa edad na 40 years old ay nasa top pa rin si LeBron at halos mag number 1 sa listahan. Nasa 2.9 million kay Jokic, 2.5 million votes naman para kay LBJ. Para sa kanilang guard ay nangunguna si SGA, sa East Front si Giannis at sa East Guard ay sila Melo Ball. Samantala, ganito naman kabilis ang utak ng tinaguriang point guard na si CP3. Hinila ba naman ang kamay ni Wemby papunta sa bola para magkaroon ng jump ball laban kay Zach Edey at manalo? Well, mismatch naman talaga pag si Wemby ang katapat mo sa isang jump ball. Ang nakaka-impress lang dito ay paano niya naisip kagad ang ganitong desisyon. Para bang naglalaro lang ito ng chess. Pati ang mga veteranong sina Lou Williams at Chandler Parsons ay hindi napigilang pag-usapan sa kanilang programa ang kanyang ginawa. Bilis ng utak at umaapaw na IQ para sa point guard na si CP3. Ano masasabi niyo dito mga idol?
That's pretty smart. That's pretty smart. That's good. That's good. But look, he's trying to tell him 2 or 3 different times, like grab the ball so I won't have to jump with him. No, this is a heads up play. Look, and it goes their way. They get something good out of it. Look, check him out. So he goes who Chris Paul is. That's what he brings to the table for this team. And I wouldn't have thought of that. Honestly, that probably would have never crossed my mind. That was a dope heads up play.